When your name is called, kindly move forward in front of the gong and gavel and bow the sign of respect to the authority, responsibility, and leadership of the presiding officer, and about face and bow to the audience. We will start the calling of the applicants. Applicant Joel Zamora. Applicant Critilo Sugano. Applicant Roberto Abiliar Jr. Applicant Earl Dean Kirby Budjungan. Applicant Joseph Canoy. Applicant Marlon Lasam. Applicant Angelo Hadman. Applicant John Alfred Dillada. Applicant J.C. Baldado. The last but not the least is applicant Alex Mira Jr. And for the dual membership, we call on Kuya Binwell Dignos. Napay candle? O nagiling panahon na nga mapuslan itong manigarilyohay ang lighter. Right? Prior to the formal induction, the charging will be given to all of you applicants.